not a stop and ID state, New Jersey police officers typically cannot arrest an individual for refusing to identify themselves outside of a traffic stop, unless the officer is making an arrest or issuing a summons. Additionally, officers cannot compel individuals to identify themselves under threat of arrest without reasonable suspicion that they are involved in illegal activity, even if the state has a valid stop and identify statute in place. Long Island Audit reported that the officers were initially called for a custody dispute rather than a criminal offense. And although this information has not been externally confirmed, Officer Di Natale stated that the officers were responding to a call for service, and that their investigation did not mean Mr. Daniel had done anything wrong. Because it does not seem that the officers had the reasonable suspicion necessary to detain Mr. Daniel, it is unlikely that a court would find that Mr. Daniel was obligated to identify himself in this situation, even if New Jersey had a stop and identify law in place.
I haven't committed a crime. Can I have your name and badge number, by the way? Your badge number.
I need your ID.
I need you guys' name and badge numbers. I'm interacting. I don't even know who you guys are. I'm interacting with police. You guys need to identify.
Right now.
Clear identifiers.
Okay, but I don't.
Cameras are running.
Why are you intimidating me like this?
I'm
Why
not intimidating you.
You came up to me really aggressively.
I'm not intimidating you.
Why are you being aggressive like this? I haven't committed a crime. You're trying to ID me. I haven't done anything wrong.
We got a call. My dispatchers are giving your vehicle with you guys being described.
You're trying to jump the gun and do wait. You're not.
331.
I'm not trying to cause any problems.
So we got called here, right? When we got here.
All right, Tepper, what's the complaint about? Because we're out with these two parties. We're trying to identify them and figure out what's going on.
The truck was identified. Not you, not her. I asked whether or not you would sit in the truck because something could have been wrong with her, something could have been wrong with you. That's why I asked you, right? But then you got smart with me.
I wasn't trying to be smart. I wasn't trying to be smart.
We have an obligation, right? When we're talking with people and we get a call, and I'm not saying you two are doing anything wrong, but I'm going to call my dispatcher, as you heard on my radio, and I turned it up so you could hear.
Right.
Male, female, Dodge Ram truck.
That's it. Did I do something wrong? No.
So I'm asking you to identify yourself.
And I am refusing to identify myself because I have not committed a crime. And in New Jersey, this is a non-ID state. I refuse to identify myself. You asked me, and I refused. I feel like
this is an investigation, and I'm asking you to
so
investigate.
Investigate.
And
it's fine. Investigate. I am not going to.